Hello, my name is Timmy Dowd. This is my years one on the project. So get into for a brief introduction. Freshman, 10, South Missouri State. Play football here, football scholarship. I major is cybersecurity. We get into the first program exercises week one. In this program, we'll be able to print text and numbers in the shell. So basically, we'll be able to type in numbers in the string, make it print to whatever we want it to print to. And the concepts in this particular program are printing, handling on idle shell, text manipulation. Let's see what that program somewhere. Here we go. Here we go. So yeah, I'm printing Hello World came out. So we were able to print, I don't tell Python what to say. It says it for us. Either way, addition, subtraction, multiplication, all that. We just able to do that. It's within Python shell. Yeah, that's just the first one. Mhm. Chapter two program exercise. We're able to take user inputs and save them to variables and also printing them out. So in this, we're able to ask your user what they want or any question we want, and they're able to type in whatever they want. And then we use Python to print out, to spit out those outputs they wanted to say. And the concepts for this one was input, print, and variable. Let's check that one. See, first name, enter your first name, last name, so on, so on, so on. Let's run it. See what it says. See your first name. Let's enter my first name. Oh, my last name. David. There you go. I guess do it to them. Yeah. So, see name, Kid Gerardo. State name, Missouri. Zoo. 63701. 63701. See, as you can see, we're out using the program, using Python, input it to ask the user what they want to input. We inputted it, and then Python was able to spit out all the information we just entered. So that's it's pretty good, pretty amazing. Python's able to do all that for us. We even got to type in what the user said. Yeah. 2D, we're in this program, we're taking user inputs and performing calculations. The first time we see the constant variable in this program. And the concepts in this, we're converting integers to strings for printing. So integers is just any type of number, really. Honestly, for being honest. So yeah, let's check that one out. So yeah, we're inputting the data, converting them to all this different type of stuff. Let's check it. See how it runs. Number of courses, let's take six. Favorite course, you already know what it is. CS, number one. So I was a semester, I'll take it 12. Cybersecurity, the best major, by the way. Highly recommend. Total number I completed, 12. This is the end of the semester. Been a long journey, but we got here. Total college hours, wow, I've taken 6 this summer. So I'll be 18. Clap. Freshman. So, see, we're able to do integers into a string, all the stuff we inputted, and we put it right here. Actually, I'm sorry. 2A had two parts to it. Had two parts to it. So that was the second part. This 2B, we already talked about that. This would be 2B's exercise right now. We're able to put the price. This is actually what we're able to do. Put a integer, convert it to doing calculations, simple calculations to make a sheet, to make a bill, to make it run. It's a price for a laptop. Let's just say a laptop, $1,200. Laptop case, let's just say 30. Price of a mouse, let's say 29.99. See, we're able to use these inputs and convert them into all these different calculations and make up a bill that you're gonna need if you're paying for something. You're gonna want that bill, especially if you're paying a big price. You're gonna want that bill. Let's move on to the next one. This will be 3A. So in this, we're able to use if and else statements, which are first introduced and used to calculate a receipt for packages. If and else statements are just statements that are just like if this one thing is true, the program is gonna keep going. If it's true, if it's not, it's gonna stop. That makes sense. And then for the concepts is if and else statements and formatted strings. Let's see what that talking about. 3A. Enter the way the package is. If if the package is this amount, it's gonna run this. But if it's not, it's gonna run a different amount. It's gonna run a different type of program over here. Let's run. Let's just say this package is 50 pounds. And this one is 23 pounds. This one is 30 pounds. This would be the shipping cost just for the receipt that we just did. So he's able to use if else statements. This would be the if. This would be it because he's 103 pounds. And if it was 103 pounds, or no, this is the else statement, I'm sorry. This is more than 100 pounds, so I was able to run 5% discount. I'm sorry. 2.5% discount, so it's statement. Just ran. Let's see if it was ran. Let's run it with something else. Different values. Let's just say this one's 23. This one is 34. This one is 17. See, this one's less than 100. So you gotta get a 5% discount. 5% discount. So is this I'll statement right here to use to calculate this shipping cost. On to 3B. For this program, if also statements are starting to be introduced in this program, also with error handling to determine if someone's in the wrong in the program. So that's just like if a user make a mistake and it's the wrong program, Python will tell them that answer be wrong program. That's really it. The concepts for this one is LSIF. LSIF. Let's see how this one goes. Here we go. It's probably a whole bunch of if else statement, safe statement. See if it is this, it's gonna run this. But if it's not, it's gonna run that. If it's not that, if it's not these ones, it's gonna run that. It's gonna keep going, keep going, keep going. But if it's not, this is where error handling comes in. If none of the things we asked it to type in, if none of the things we typed that we asked it to type in, it's gonna come out as a message. please enter the range, number in the range. So let's do it. That's right. Let's enter a month. Let's just say we enter six. Uh, Six is gonna come out. Let's just say we'll do another one. See, I asked for 1 through 12. We'll ask for another one. Just give me an example. Say nine. Nah, it's my birthday month. 10. Get 10. October will come in. It's one more. The answer number 1 through 12. Let's do 13. I like 13 month. Oh, there is no 13th month. I was gonna tell Python told us that there is no 13. It does not match. We have to please enter a number in the range of 1 through 12. And yeah, that's it for that one. Let's keep on progressing. You go to 4A. For this program, four loops are being used to calculate averages for different ages that are entered by the user. Also in the code, we're keeping running children in order to find the average. And the concepts for this one is for loops, by the way. Let's see this. These four loops right here. You're gonna keep on going until the program you press to stop. And see how many ages you want to enter. Really not four loops is not really saying. I'm sorry. Let's say we want to enter 3 ages. Enter an age. You know, 22 also. And 33. So he was able to calculate to all ages. Pretty cool. So let's continue on. 4B. This program, a condition controlled while loop is being used, calculate different wages for ages inputted by the user. And the concepts for this one is while loop. And the while loop is a control flow statement that allows code to be executed repeatedly. This is the one I meant to say when I said for loops. But while loops is gonna keep going on and on and on. Let's get this one running. We on the roll. We got to keep pushing through that bit. You know, how many ages do we want to end? 3. Again. We're gonna go 11, 22 again, 33 again. I was 22. Yeah, you gonna keep on going. Keep on going. We're good. We're good. On to the next. 4C. Get this running. While loops are being used in this program, these kind of loops are being used in case the user wants to keep going on in the program or make it stop. Kind of like the last one. Concept. Concept is while loops in this one as well. So in this one, while response is while age, keep going, keep going. But if we wanted to, they didn't want to press yes, for example, say error must be greater than 0. Let's get this one. Enter age. We want to enter Y for yes, keep going. Enter an age, 22. Keep going. Keep going. Notice how I click 0. It stopped. Yes, because I didn't click it. I wanted to stop, so it's 0. If I wanted to keep going, I'll keep entering and then Y for yes. That's really it. On to the next. 5A. Get it going. 5A. In this functions are being used in this program. Functions are used to make the code easier to correct if there was an overall problem in the program. The functions are also used to make code more modular. Also, the main function is being introduced for the first time. Concepts in this one is functions, calling from the main function and defining the function. So this is the function right here. This is the main function. It's the main thing that for all of this right here, all it is. So let's just say there was a problem in this one. Python will tell it there's a problem in the main function. So we can go right to the main function and fix it, for example. And it makes it easier to read by module, so you know each stuff is in its own place, in its own file, your file cabinet. And this right here, we call them the main function. So all of these functions are here, all these functions here are under the main function. So we're gonna call the main to run all of these. So let's press enter for create information right there. Keep entering. Don't keep going. Create layers of. That's just what it is. So let's go on to 5B. First time calling functions with parameters. Writer function and parameters are also used. And concepts in this one, parameters. Let's I'm sorry. I just exit it out. Yeah, let's see. Here we go. Here's 5B. Let's do it. This is a parameter right here. We're calling stuff in this to make the program run while using other functions and calling from the main function that we did in the last program. Run enter a number. Let's just say 23, 5, 6. Enter a different number. Do I want to keep going? Let's keep going for just for this purpose. Enter a number, 11. Enter another number, 23. Let's go 16.8. Largest is this, largest is that. But let's just say I don't want to keep going. Don't stop. It'll just stop for us. Sounds pretty good. Let's keep going on. 7A. 7A. In this program, it's the first time we're introduced to this. And we are running calculations with the values from the list. We're also introduced with a new way to call the main function. Concepts, list, and this is the new function, new way, just more professional, using the workforce. A new way we call function or the main function. Excuse me, you say you go to the program. And this is the list of numbers, list, and starting to make a list. Right. I'm gonna do one there. Let's see that 5. So this first one, 56. 12.8, 79, 6.7. We're gonna be big on this one. 400.89. See how pop off as we type these in, we made a whole list for us. Also told us the lowest, highest, total numbers and if we added them all up, this is total would be. And the average of the numbers is 111.8 or 08. So yeah, let's keep on moving. Keep on moving. 7B. The index are using this program also with slicing. Slicing in this program is used to divide the index provided by the user. And the concept is index and slicing. Keep it going. See how all main, like you said in those past programs, not fine correctly. So they just didn't want to run. Just run. How many numbers? Let's just say 14. And in the index, it's going to tell us all the numbers between 14. So 1, 14. Let's enter a number between them. So let's just go 3. The list between that number is 1 and 2. So that's just really what it is. So last but not least, we got chapters 6 and 8. This is where we create, updating, editing, read the files, or using the program. We're just constantly listening to just handling 85 like files in any separate way of program. We're just making them how we want to. Let's get this one going. See, we're making, opening, writing it, and then closing it. That's just all the stuff we need. Let's make it run. That's your first name. That's his name, John. Last name Smith. Do I want to add one else? Heck yeah. Let's keep going. Chris, just like the singer, over the K. Let's add one more name. Bob. Oh, yeah. I did this wrong. But yeah, for example, it stopped. So I didn't type what the program wanted me to type. So it just stopped. But this is the context of the file. John Smith, Chris Brown, and stated what his name was and his last relation. Yeah, that's it for the slideshow. But in this class, I really had a lot of fun. I want to keep expanding my learning on different types of stuff in computer science and cybersecurity. The challenge that I had in this class is probably just learning, just really learning something new, learning a new language, and just finding out ways to get it done. But yeah, it was a good journey in this class, and stay blessed.